Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, you need to open device's settings. Now you need to choose Privacy section after scrolling down and click on the Permission Manager at the top. Finally, tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, Location. Then click on one of your apps like Chrome and select one of those options. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow only when using. So when I click on the back button, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device location if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, tap on any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go with Camera to access Messages. Now choose See All Messages permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!